Welcome to my introspection presentation. I am K. Rashmi Savera, student teacher of St. Ignatius College of Education. In this presentation, I am here to share about my strengths, weaknesses, challenges, and opportunities in life. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths are the tasks or action you can do well. These include knowledge, proficiencies, and talents. People use their traits and abilities to complete work related with the others and achieve goals. It should be skills that can be supported through experience. Choosing a weakness that will not prevent you from succeeding in the role, and to be honest and choose the real weaknesses that make you strength. My strengths are my academic strength is having a good handwriting, like participating physical activities, interest in writing. My social strengths are making friends easily, patient with others and caring. Positive strengths are tasks and action you can do well. These include knowledge and don't be fear of weaknesses. Have guts enough to show your weakness. My academic weakness are not good at marks, not often participating in college activities, and learning slowly. I am a slow learner. My social weaknesses are rarely short temper, listening to everyone's idea, trusting each other's blindly. My challenges in life are the most challenges faced in one's life are failures, losing a job, getting older, getting sick or injured, and death of a loved one. I mostly faced all the challenges in life I mentioned above. Personal challenges is something that is personally tailored you. My challenges in life as a student: eating right and staying healthy, failing to manage money, homesickness, poor sleep habits, average grades, and social problems. Challenges is commonly life is an uncertain roller coaster. You can choose to embrace it and enjoy the ride joyfully, learning from your experiences along the way. Opportunities in life. Opportunities are something you grab when it comes to you. You should achieve what you gain in the life. Opportunities are important when people try, test better, and even find themselves. Opportunities rarely come, so when it reaches, you grab it accordingly and use it accordingly. My opportunities in life, from my childhood till now, I got many opportunities. But if the question comes, how many have you used it? The answer would be just 10%. I feel so guilty often that I lost or I won't use the opportunities. For example, I was good at badminton in my school. High school, I played well. I got selected for a district championship behalf of my school. But due to my immature, without knowing the value of it, I refused to participate and I took leave, telling the reason that I'm sick. I really feel so guilty till now, and I would regret this till the end of my life. So, when the opportunity comes to you, use it. Never ever, never ever remove it from your life. And the most important thing to be noted is think twice before you reject an opportunity. Opportunity never knock twice, so say yes more often. Take those advantage and use it. Thank you.